Tracfone Error Code 9001 indicates a problem with your payment. This usually means your transaction was declined. The most common reasons are incorrect zip code or CVV, insufficient funds, or an expired card. Recent security updates by Tracfone, designed to combat fraud, can sometimes trigger this error even with valid card details. It's a payment gateway error that occurs when the billing system can't process the transaction due to mismatches between the provided data and your bank's records. First, update your payment method in the Tracfone app or website under Account, then Payment Methods, carefully re-entering your zip code and CVV. Double-check your card's expiration date. Next, verify with your bank that your card is active and has sufficient funds. If the problem persists, try using a different card or a digital wallet like PayPal. If none of these steps work, contact Tracfone's 24/7 customer support for manual assistance. Often the payment will be processed manually. Tracfone is also piloting chatbots to diagnose and fix these errors automatically, which will be faster than waiting on hold with a support agent.